going to start this video by grilling some yummy mushrooms. There go your boneless, skinless chicken breast, and we're going to season it heavily. That's how we like it in this house. Right, Stefan?
Yay! Season.
He said, put on the season. There you go, looking good. Now you're gonna put that pepper in and you're gonna mix it all up. Mix it, mix it. No gloves required. Mix it, yeah. You're gonna make sure that grease in that pan is nice and hot. You're gonna fry it on each side for 5 minutes. If your chicken breast is a little bit smaller, on the smaller side, just go ahead and fry it for 3 minutes on each side. Because nobody likes dry chicken. No dry chicken, right, Maya?
Hooray!
Now we're going to make some yummy mushroom gravy. If you've never made gravy before, it is so easy. You're going to add some butter. You're going to add those mushrooms you already sauteed. You're going to add in that flour I just put in. And here goes that chicken broth. Mix it, and you'll get gravy. Who loves gravy on their chicken? Stefan, do you love gravy on your chicken?
Of course I do, Mommy.
All right, took you a little long to answer. I'm thinking you don't like gravy like that, but we love us some gravy. You'll see me adding that Parmesan cheese because we're trying to get us a cheesy sauce. We're gonna try this new recipe, cheesy mushroom spinach chicken. Then we're gonna add some more cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. Maya, do you like cheese?
Cheese. There's never enough cheese.
Now it's time to add that fresh spinach. Yum. We're gonna mix it all up till it's melted. Then we're gonna, look at that chicken. Look at that chicken, honey. I can eat that right now. We're going to go ahead and put that mixture on over it. Yummy. Wait till you see what it looks like, y'all. That's eating good with the slow-mo. Woo-wee. I'm glad she put that in slow motion. Now we're going to put it in the oven on 400 degrees just for a little bit. Maybe 15-20 minutes. And there it goes. Woo-wee. Was it delicious?
Delicious.
Delicious.